Hello, welcome to Training the Right Way, and we're going to have a look at Weblium. This is part 2. Then we're going to try and make a quick website and show you basically how it works. It's very simple. Let's go over to the Weblium.com. So here we are. This is the entry page. Start for free. Literally, you don't need any money to pay. You can order a website if you want them to make it. Essentially, because I'm already signed up, then I would use that. Basically, it says that there are 300 plus templates in a variety of different categories. Landing pages, portfolio pages. There is actually one, and some of them do look really nice. I mean, I like that one. I think that's quite nice. There is one which was, I can't remember where it was now, but these are all free to use website templates. Let's log in. Okay, so we have this. Create a site. It's a good thing that these are actually called by the names, because there is another application builder that has templates and you've got no idea what they're about because the name doesn't mean anything in relation to the template. A bit strange. There's that graphic designer. Dating agency. There we go. Ooh. YouTube blogger. Let's do that one. That's me, a YouTube blogger. Obviously, you could start from scratch if you wish. You can have the tour if you wish, but should we do that? Yeah, let's do the tour. So here we go. So we've got the navigator. You drop the blocks. You can rearrange them. Pages then pop up so you can manage your add new pages. Site styles. This is all to do colours, fonts. Blocks is the main idea. It's how it works. These can be pre-made blocks, so they do have a range. And by history, I've never used that, but you could have different versions. Comment mode. So this is only if you're working with other people. Minimize bar. Publish website, and we're done. Right. So the idea is that we have a block, and in that block you can put things like this, which is a self-contained, what they call a row. In that row you can then put things like text. And this is actually called a hero title. This box here is a hero area. That's you find it on most websites. Let's get rid of this banner. That's better. So how you edit, you just click in there, and then you've got your various types of size, text size. You can change that manually if you wish. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, size of text, colour, spacing, alignment, left, right, middle, bullet list. Put a link on that, so if I wanted to link it to another page I could. Clear all the formatting and text settings here, so you can have your SEO tags and CSS class names if you were going to be doing some programming. The only one that you probably want to do is the SEO. Right, above that you have the menu bar. It's a row, considered to be a row. You can edit the row with the settings. You can do a padding. You can have a background, so you can put a colour overlay. So you probably have some use for that. So, and the advanced mode is the CSS. So you can see that this is obviously transparent. Logo. This is all based on columns now. Columns. It's considered to be a column. And to go, you can add an element by the little blue arrow, and that will add it below. This is a global block, meaning that it will appear on every page. The menu, which you click on, and this is how you edit your menu. And of course you can move the menu item, and you also make it a sub menu. So now it's a sub menu. It will appear on pull down, but it will only appear when it's actually previewed. There is a undo, so you can undo what you've just done. And when you click on your menu, you have to link it to a page or a block. So this obviously links scroll to block. You could jump to a block on another page, and these are hashtags that you assign for the block. You can also hide it from this menu. If you had a bit like a membership page that you didn't want to appear, but you wanted to be able to link it to a button, then you could hide it from the menu. Your block you edit using this cog. You can stretch it across the page. Don't show it on smaller screens. Top and bottom padding. The background of it, which in this case is a picture. You can of course upload your own or use the gallery, and there are free ones that you can get as well. So you could change the picture, flip it so it's on the other side, flip like that, put a colour overlay over it, filters, different sorts of filter, colour behind image, scroll effects. You can have a colour or you can have a video. Dividers, so you could do a wiggly line across the different sorts of dividers. The thing that we need to know is the hashtag. So this is the name of this particular block, and that is what you can use to link it. So more actions, you can duplicate, copy, hide or delete. So you can actually move these around, which is quite useful. If you delete it, you can actually see the block before you do it. And also, if I wanted to move that block, you just drag it like that. It's very simple. This is the whole website. Right. So you can put video, in this case it's Vimeo, but I think you can do a YouTube link. And if, for example, this was too small, you could drag it down or drag it up. And the padding is in here. So your padding, we change that. And it will go back down here. You can see it's gone back to what it was before. Various, so you've got 1, 2, 3 things there. 3 text boxes and a picture by the look of it. Once you've got your picture in there, you can actually focus on a particular element, so you can make it bigger or smaller. It goes into the gallery, and of course the alt text, which is used for SEO, so it's a good idea to put that in there. So this block title, text and a pull down accordion with more information in it, so that's like an accordion. So if I find a little spot, let's put an adder block in there. Let's put a custom block. So this is your title and the empty column. One column across the page. One column across the page. You can obviously delete that if you wish. And of course this here can be added to. So any particular element. And there's various elements you could use. Quite a few of them actually. In particular, forms and spacers. Some of these are useful. Anyway, so this thing here, we can make another column, and then we can make another column. So we've got 3 now, 3 across the page. If we then drag that across to there, we've got a smaller column. We can put in there a button, and this one, let's make it a bit bigger. Make it a bit bigger. In there we can put a heading, and in this one we'll put a image. Okay, so images, click and then upload. Let's choose a picture, shove that in there. If we're not happy with the size of it, we can actually just make it a bit bigger. This obviously is edit the text, make it in the center, give it a bigger size, different font as well if you want. Quite good. And changing the button, we go on here on the design. We can have a solid button, medium. All of these are global, so they've already been set. But there is a button library, so you could have a round one, different colours. There's those. Oh, there's a nice shade. And then of course the action of the button. Scroll to block, select the block cover, so that will go back up to the top. Put this over here. Yeah, so we can move that using the little four-way. So this is now empty. Let's put a icon. Put an icon in there. It's quite useful, really. Different color icon. So how do I get that over here? Column, button, like that. Now this is because it doesn't do anything. There's a reminder there that you need to set the destination for that button. And you can carry on and add a block footer, which will go full length, full width, and that is basically a block. So that's the end of part 2, and come back again for part 3 very soon. Bye for now.